It's customary for floral designers to charge a labor fee. Some designers build this charge into the price of each design, and others choose to add it as a separate line item on their client's invoice. The EveryStem team understands there are multiple ways to charge a labor fee, so we've created a customizable Edit Labor Fee button so you can charge your labor fee your way. To adjust or turn on your labor fee, simply click on the Edit Labor Fee button. It's the third button on the top left side of your screen. The default labor fee set within EveryStem is 30%. Click the Edit Labor Fee button, and then click Enable All to turn on that labor fee for all the columns in your event. Do this if you include your labor fee in your design price. Alternately, you can click Disable All to turn off the labor fee for all the columns in your event if you choose to add your labor fee as a separate line item on your client's invoice. If you'd like to change the percent that your labor fee is for all columns, simply click the Edit Labor Fee button, change the percentage from 30% to your chosen amount, click Reset Fee, and then click Enable All. Lastly, click Close or the X in the top right corner of the modal. The EveryStem team understands that you may not want to charge the same labor fee for every design you create. For example, you might need to charge 50% labor fee for an elaborate installation. In that case, we've made the labor fee line item adjustable for each individual column. In order to change the labor fee for an individual column, scroll down to the labor fee line item and make sure the checkbox is toggled on. Then change the amount to your chosen percentage. For this example, we'll use 50%. Then click anywhere on your screen outside of the box and your update will be saved. A pop-up save notification will appear at the top right corner of your screen.